So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna talk about the top 3 things you can do with your pepper plants when you overwinter them. If you watched my video about overwintering plants, this is the plant that I actually overwintered. It's doing great. Tons of new growth. It's just kind of, it hasn't been under a grow light or anything, just kind of sitting in a windowsill. Now, I'm the kind of person that I don't want to get bored with growing. I want to continually have fun with what I'm doing. And for me to do that, I want to mess around with my overwintered jalapeno here. The first thing you can do with your pepper plants when you overwinter them is just let them be. I mean, you can put them in a windowsill. They're going to be about like this. You're going to get some foliage. You know, you see here, you kind of get some leggy growth. It's going to work really well. You're going to keep your plant alive, keep water on it, just let it sit there, and that plant is going to be good for the following season. The second thing you can do is you can put some grow lights on this plant and you can start producing peppers. Like if I really wanted to, I could put this under optimal conditions. It's going to start growing again and producing peppers, and I could be getting jalapenos all winter long if I really wanted to. Now I will say you really don't want to put this in your grow tent. Yes, you took the precautions you were supposed to on getting rid of the critters you were bringing in from outside. To me, it's not worth it. If this was in my grow tent, and I haven't seen a single bug on this whole plant ever since I brought it inside, that's still not good enough for me. I'm not gonna trust it enough to put it in there and potentially ruin my entire new grow that I have going on in my grow tent. But what you can do is you can put it in a corner, just put a grow light over it, and you can grow peppers all winter long. I definitely enjoy going that route. The third thing I'm gonna talk to you guys about today is what I'm gonna be doing with this plant here. So you can trim it back and create kind of a bonsai tree, a bonsai, whatever you want to call it. You can create a little bonsai plant. This one isn't ideal, but I think it has potential, and I'm going to try to bring that potential out. I'm going to trim it up today, show you guys how I'm going to trim this, what I'm going to do. Before we get started, let's take a look at this right here. This is a gift that my wife got me for Christmas, and I can't tell you how excited I am for it. I'm like a giddy little child. Honestly, this is the whole reason I'm making this video, is I really wanted to use this, and I figured I had this plant and it's going to be perfect for it. This is actually a bonsai care kit. It comes with a whole lot of different things that aren't only good for bonsai, but it can be good for just general gardening as well. This thing comes with all the wiring you would need for a bonsai plant. It comes with some seriously heavy duty scissors. It comes with some normal pruners. It comes with some little mini shovels that you can actually dig into your soil with, especially if you're in a little small pot. It's got a couple little tiny snips for some really small branches if you need to do that. Like I said, this is a gift I got from my wife, and she got it on Amazon, and I was able to talk her into sending me the link for it. So if you're interested, just go down in the description below and I will have a link for this in there. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and get started on trimming this thing. So these also come in that little kit. We're gonna use these today. I'm gonna cut off these 3 branches here. I am actually going to try some of these heavy duty scissors. All right, so if you look here, here are some bonsai pruning scissors. Oh, pot sliding. Wow, okay, yeah, so these are the real deal. These just cut through that and shot it across this room. Hopefully I can do it without shooting it across the whole house here. There we go. So I'm gonna clean this up just a little bit. I'm going to cut these nubbins just like that. I'm not trying to make it look pretty right now. I'm just trying to make sure that these are cut down real well. Now there's just kind of this ball on the top. As you can see, there's one branch left right here, and I do want to take this branch off. There we go. For the price of this kit and everything you get in it, these scissors are actually really nice. Now, if you guys can see, I just have this little stump. There's some branches that are forming on it. Realistically, what I want with this, kind of the vision I see for this, I want this real nice established trunk, which I have here. And then I want some branches to grow out and just kind of have a little ball. And eventually I want peppers to grow in that little ball, but I want to keep this plant very, very small. To some people, they garden just for the food aspect of it. They want the food, and that's not me. I'm here to have fun. Obviously, I'm here to learn and find the best ways possible to do things, but I'm here to have fun. Number one, I'm here to have fun, and I hope that I can show you guys how to have fun while you're gardening as well. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button so that way it tells YouTube you like the video, and then YouTube will show other people that will hopefully like the video as well. Once you've done that, go ahead and watch this video right here. This is gonna be the video of me actually overwintering this plant, what the process was of me bringing it from outside in the garden and bringing it inside and it still being alive and growing, doing really well. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.